In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 a month using Canva. This method I'm going to show you is legit and anybody can do this and see results. If you're looking for a way to make passive income online, this is it. What I'm going to share with you is a hidden secret on the internet. A lot of people online are already making a lot of money doing what I'm about to show you. So if you want that financial freedom, if you're tired of working from 9 to 5, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. But before we start, welcome to the channel, Teach Me Money Methods. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I upload a new video online, you'll be updated with my new content. Now, let's get back to the video. If you pay very close attention and follow step by step watching this video, I guarantee you that you'll be making not less than $2,000 monthly in passive income. With that being said, let's get started. So the first thing to do is to go to this website right here, canva.com. Once you're here, click right up here where it says sign up. And as you can see, you can sign up with your Apple account, you can sign up with your Google account, you can also sign up with your Facebook account, or you can just click right here where it says continue with email. After you're done with the sign up, you'll land on a page just like this. Now, if you look right up here at the top, you will see templates. This website, canva.com, has got hundreds, probably in the thousands of various templates, and all these templates are built in. As you can see right here, we've got templates for people to create Instagram stories, Instagram posts, Facebook covers, and a lot more. And as you can see, we have a lot of categories. We have personal templates, and under personal, we have invitations, cards, and the rest. We also have business templates, and under business, we have presentations, websites, logos, and more. We have marketing, education, and trending. So if you click on any of these, you're going to see a lot of templates that are already designed for you to just edit and use. For example, if you type in the search bar right here, invitation cards, and you hit enter, let it load, you will land on this page right here. On this page, there are thousands of templates that we're going to be able to use to make a lot of money online. If you scroll all the way through, you'll see that there are more and more templates showing up. Now, you have to keep in mind all the templates with the $ and the crown sign are not free. If you want only the free templates, go to your left, scroll all the way down, and click on free right here. Everything's going to load, and only the ones with the free templates and the ones with the $ will show up. You can scroll around and see that there are a lot of free, good-looking templates to choose from. Keep in mind, the ones with the $ are not free. Let's click on this free template right here. Now just let it load. Once you land on this page right here, you can play around with this template. You can edit the name to whatever you want to name it. This means that even if you're not a graphic designer, even if you are completely terrible at everything related to graphic design, you can also just come over to Canva, pick a template and any of the ones that are free, and then edit them. So you can just click on it and customize this template. Look at these. All this stuff is editable. And guess what? People will pay you money for this template. Now I'm going to show you how you can sell this template and make a lot of money. In just a few minutes and clicks, we have created an awesome template using just this free Canva template. And you can sell this online, and there's a huge demand for these types of templates. So guys, if you're enjoying this video so far, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Now, let's get back to the video. Now I'm going to show you where you're able to sell these templates and make a lot of money. The first website I'm going to show you is called Etsy.com. So right here on this website, people come here to sell all kinds of digital products. For example, if we type in the search bar right here, invitation, a drop-down menu will show up. As you can see, we have invitation templates, invitation wedding, invitation birthday, invitation cards, and the rest. Let's click on invitation template. You will land on this page right here. As you can see, there are a lot of invitational cards that have been sold on this platform. The people selling these are making a lot of money. If you scroll through, you'll see a lot of templates are on sale. Let's click on this one, for example. As you can see, it's selling for $9.28. And if you look right here, this seller has made over 115,000 sales just on this invitation card alone. Now, if we go back to Canva.com, the card we made on Canva is more of a wedding invitational card. So let's go back to Etsy again and type in the search bar invitation. As you can see, the drop-down menu has appeared. This time, let's click on Invitation Wedding. It'll bring you to this page. On this page right here, you'll see a lot of wedding invitational cards. You can scroll through and see a lot of wedding cards. Let's click on this particular one right here. As you can see, it's selling for $10.49. And again, if you look right up here, this person has sold over 127,000 sales just for this card alone. If you want to make the same amount of money on this website, just go back to Canva.com and choose from the thousands of free templates they have. Edit the template and make it unique. And once you are done, you can come back on Etsy and upload it and start making a lot of money. To get started on Etsy, just click right up here where it says Sign In. Then click on Register here. And now you can put in your email address, your first name, and your password. Or you can just sign up using your Google account or your Facebook account or your Apple account. Once you do that, you'll be able to upload your free Canva templates on Etsy. It is very easy and simple. Now, if you want a video on how you can upload Canva templates on Etsy, then you can just go to YouTube right here and type in how to upload Canva templates on Etsy. Once you do that, you'll see a lot of free tutorials on how you can upload free Canva templates on Etsy and start making a lot of money. As long as you're ready to put in some good amount of work, you will make money. Now, another website you can sell your free Canva templates on is called Fiverr.com. Once you're here, type in the search bar invitation card. And hit enter. You will be redirected to this page right here. On this page, you will see a lot of people selling invitational cards. And they're making a lot of money on this website. As you can see, $40, $15, $10, and more. All you need to do is come over to Fiverr and sign up as a freelancer, which is totally free. Once you do that, you'll be able to make a lot of money on this website. And that's it, guys. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be updated with my new content. I will see you in the next video.